Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is an unboxing of some new product that's coming at the beginning of March. Now this new product is going to be Sale-a-bration product. So when you spend over £45, then you can get these additional products apart from the ones that have already been released. So I'm just going to open the box. Now this one here is the lovely lily pad, which is from the current Sale-a-bration brochure. So that's the lily pad. And this one here is Tags in Bloom, and that will be from the new Sale-a-bration catalogue. And here is the new brochure. So the release date is the 3rd of March. Now this is the next stamp set in this second release. So you've got Rise and Shine, so you've got cups of coffee and cups of tea. Really nice stamp set. And these will, you'll be able to use your die cuts from the Christmas catalogue, which is carrying over into the next one. So the cups from that particular brochure, from the autumn winter brochure, these can be used to cut them out. And here is another stamp set which is part of the Sale-a-bration. So you've got Well Dressed, and this will coordinate really well with the Clubhouse papers. So you've got an umbrella, a watch, a pen, a tie, hat and keys and shoes. That's excellent. Now this stamp set here is a special someone, and this is from our mini catalogue Spring Summer, and we've got lots of creatures on there. We've got a squirrel, a mouse and a badger, and some balloons and hearts. So it's very good. And we have here the dies that coordinate. Now these were released, these are available now for you to purchase, and these are to coordinate with the catalogue. I'll just show you. And these are the dies. So you've got the squirrel, you've got the badger, you've got the mouse, you've got flowers, you've got the speech, hearts, you've got some grasses. So they're the perfect complement to the Someone Special stamp set. The next one is the ladybug dies. Now these dies coordinate with the ladybug stamp set, and I'll just get the ladybug stamp set. So this is the ladybug stamp set, and this is available when you host a party. And when you host a party and you achieve the minimum sales, this stamp set is free. So this is really nice stamp set with all the little bugs and the big ladybugs and the big flower. And then we have This is part of the coordination that you can purchase. is the actual dies. So you can cut out all the ladybugs, the big flower, and some more flowers and little swirls. It's really good. This one here is the lily dies. So the lily dies are part of the Sale-a-bration, the first catalogue. So if you spend over £90, then you can get the dies for free, and these coordinate with the lovely lily pad, as you can see. So it's really good. Now here I've got a punch, and this punch coordinates with the Tags in Bloom Sale-a-bration stamp set. So if you spend over £45, then you'll receive this particular stamp set from the 3rd of March. And this is the punch that you can purchase that coordinates with this, and it's Label Me Lovely punch. I'll just open it up. Sorry for the cellophane that's making a crackling noise. I'll try and keep it as possible. And there you go. See the reflection. Now here I've got some blades for the new trimmer. So these are the brand new blades for our brand new trimmer, and I'll just get the trimmer. So this is our new trimmer. You've got blade and you've got the scoring blade, and it's a really nice trimmer with 17cm ruler extending. You won't be able to see that ball. So I purchased and they come in a pack of 4, the blades. Now this purchase here is the Metallics Baker's Twine Sequins and Combo Pack. So this is from the Sale-a-bration as well, from the first catalogue, the first release of Sale-a-bration. So you're getting a bunch of sequins in a little pack and some twine. So that's really nice. I do like those colours. Now I've just got some card packs that I've ordered. So I have the shimmering white cardstock, which I always seem to run out of. I have the very vanilla thick cardstock, so that's brilliant for making your card bases. And then I have Gorgeous Grape. When you choose a particular colour card pack, you get 24 sheets in a pack for a particular colour. So I need quite a lot of this, so that's why I've ordered that one. And this die set is the birthday dies, so I will open this up. Oops. Now this particular die set is another coordination to go with a free stamp set. So this is the birthday dies, and the stamp set to go with it is this one here, which is the Kling Sale-a-bration Happy Birthday to You. So this is the stamp set, and this is free when you spend over £45, and then you can purchase the dies separately as a complimentary purchase. So I'm looking forward to playing with that one. And then this particular paper pack I will open up. So this particular paper pack, you can use your punches, your umbrella punch, to punch out. Let me see if I can find my umbrella punch. It's somewhere next to me. Where is it? Ah. So this is the umbrella punch, and this will punch out the umbrellas on this particular paper. It's got some gorgeous colours on it. Let me just see if I've got any colours. We have I don't know if you can see, Balmy Blue, Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Crushed Curry, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Petal Pink, Pool Party and Whisper White. So this is the Please as Punch Designer Series paper, and this is something that you can purchase. So we have the umbrellas, and on the other side we have raindrops again. So we have 4 sheets. Three sheets of those, and then we have the hearts. Now these hearts go in graduation colour, if you can see. So you've got green, reds, pinks and purples, and these particular papers can be punched out with the heart punch, which is this one here, and this is available from the mini spring summer catalogue, so you can use to punch out those hearts. And on the back of those you've got some gingham in pepper pink, I believe. So there's three sheets of those. The next paper is some flowers, and we've got some lovely distressed stripes on the back of it. And this particular flower can be punched out with the punch that's available in the Sale-a-bration. So you can use that particular punch to punch out your flowers. And the final papers are tulips, and these particular tulips, we've got some green on the back of the papers, and these particular tulips can be punched out if you have the tulip punch, which is this one. So you can punch out your flowers with the actual punch as well. So if you've got a few of the punches from our new spring summer catalogue, then you'll be able to use them to punch out your flowers. But the papers are really pretty in their own right, so whether you have got the punches or not, you'll be able to use these, and there's some beautiful colours in here. And finally, we have the Flowering Foil Speciality Designer Series paper, and this is available, or will be available, from the 3rd of March. And these are some gorgeous 12 by 12 papers with foiling on them. So we have some big flowers, some check squares, I have some petals in geometric shapes, And we have some smaller flowers there. So those are another set of papers that will be available from the 3rd of March on. So any purchase over £45 and you'll be able to get those papers for free. Now this set here is the So Very Vellum Specialty Designer Series paper. And I'll show you this one. So this is 12 by 12 vellum. And as you can see my hand through it, so it's got these dots and squares all over the paper. So you've got like a purpley colour, then you've got a green, and then you've got possibly a pool party. I don't know if you can see that. But they're gorgeous vellums. And these again will be available from the 3rd of March, and they'll be part of your free gift when you spend over £45. So they're absolutely lovely. Looking forward to using those with all the colour coordination. And that is it. That's my unboxing for today. So thank you very much for watching. If you require a catalogue, then please email me on yflitton@gmail.com. I'll have a link below, so you'll be able to click on there and drop me an email. And if you require a catalogue, then please let me know. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It's not something that I keep forgetting to ask, so yeah, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, and then you'll be able to see more content. I normally post at least once a week, and then you'll be able to see what other projects I'll be doing, especially with the new products that I've just received today. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Bye bye.